Trying burger steak at Kenny Rogers Cubao.
Sarap. Bongga. Vegetables. At sarap. Ang perfect nito, sulit yung 400 pesos. Ayun din, sa 300 lang yung peso. Ang sarap din. If ito compare ko yung burger steak ng Jollibee sa Kenny Rogers. Kenny Rogers ako. Maraming beses ko na natikman yung Jollibee burger steak and ito talaga ang sarap, malasa, juicy. Ang wait time is 15 minutes. Medyo natagalan ako pero worth it pala siya. So, the long wait is worth it. Try tayo. So, hanggang dinner na to, 300 pesos. Pero ang sarap. Naputol na naman ako ng mindset na treat yourself. I love it, mga people. Sarap ng garlic rice. Lahat ng sarap, walang halong emo. Ano ako medyo maarte ako sa pagkain. And mahilig ako sa malasa, sa maalat. This one, ako nga din gusto ko. And actually, it's been 4 years since the last time I ate at Kenny Rogers. And I think mapapadala siya because of the burgers. Sarap. Mga pe, hindi naman lagi, pero kapag meron, treat lang yung sarili. Wait, it's sarap. Malakas ako kumain mga pe. I'm sorry if I speak ganun much. Not pala talaga. I've enjoyed the moment. Sour cream, potato and chives, fry. Okay. Bland, as expected, since potatoes are bland. Masarap pa rin. Pero, siguro, I'm just expecting yung medyo crunchy yung skin. And I wanna taste more of the sour cream and chives. Nagdamalik yung potatoes, which is understandable. Sarap pa rin. Pero ordering next time, try ko naman yung ibang sandwich. Meron din tayong cheese muffin. Right. Cheese muffin is good, but nothing special. So, okay siya. And this is something that I wouldn't want always kasi paumaga. Siguro, I'm just expecting cheesy flavor. Kasi cheese na ako. May cheese flavor pero subtle. Let's try the corn and carrots. Sarap. Pag corn and carrots talaga, you can never go wrong. First of all, carrots kasi, I mean the corn, talis lang. Then the butter, add flavor. The carrots with crunchiness and flavor. So, pag corn and carrots talaga, always 10 out of 10. Pero overall, review, this is a must try. You should order the burger steak of Kenny Rogers. Masarap ang burger steak ng Jollibee, it's trending. But Kenny Rogers is sharp when it comes to taste. And I think it's a little bit more pricey. I'm not sure about the price, pero it's so good. Control natin ito pala siya. Sarap. Pag-isin ko lang to and lalakabin ko yung replacement item since nawala siya. Yun lang and have a good day everyone!